Been looking forward to getting one of these for a while, and I finally pulled the trigger and bought one. This is the Micro Groomsman, and it's from Wahl. And this is a very, very popular trimmer. It's smaller than a clipper, and I've been trying to do everything with a clipper, and I've finally given up, and I'm going to get a tool that's actually designed for the job. So this is battery operated, and we've got a cover here for it. I'm assuming there's batteries in here somewhere. I'll have to look and see where the batteries go. And then we've got the a couple of different shaver trimmer options here. Looks like we've got this cutter for doing the hairlines and things like that. I'm guessing it snaps on the front here. Yep, snaps on and twists. Need to put a battery in it. But then we've got a little bit of a razor there. Twist it and comes off. This must be a guard for that razor for doing something. I'll have to figure that out. And then I know this one is for like noses and ears when you're trying to put a trimmer into a nose or an ear, and that can be super beneficial. And what I like about this one is that it's from Wahl. It'll be quality, and I've got this cover, so if I want to travel, I don't have to worry about it getting junked up. So let's grab a battery and put it in there. All right, so it turns out you just hold the switch and pull down. And when you do that, you really uncover the battery compartment down here. It uses one AAA battery. Put the metal housing back on it here. Very nice. So looking forward to using it. This would make a great gift. This would make a great stocking stuffer. The Wahl Groomsman 2-in-1 detailer. Hope this helped.